second day of MEIDAM, we continue to have a very rich scientific program with many vibrant sessions. Of them, we had the first MEIDAM Resident Research Day, which we collaborated with many residents from all around the Middle East. We had presenters coming all the way from India, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Bahrain, presentations of their researches. Of them, the top 3 presenters were awarded, as well as the top posters. In addition to that, many agreement collaborations has been signed between MEIDAM and different societies. The Saudi Society of Dermatology and Dermatological Surgery, the Lebanese Dermatology Society, and the Kuwait Dermatology Society. In these agreements, we agreed on further collaboration scientifically and to support exchange training programs and as well as research funds. MEIDAM also has renewed their agreement support for the UNHCR efforts and activities. Furthermore, MEIDAM supported the UN with donations from MEIDAM Conference Fund. Stay tuned for another day of MEIDAM. Tomorrow, we look forward to see you all here.